Three, two, one, lunch. Hello, Sandwich Dad here.
And today I'm trying a brand new sandwich I haven't had before, which is unbelievable. We're going to try the Roti John, the Singaporean and Malaysian sandwich with roti meaning bread and John meaning white guy. I'm a white guy named John. This sandwich is perfect for me. Let's go.
Here's a quick snapshot of our ingredients. We'll fry up some onions. Sous chef helping here. Throw in some garlic and some ground beef, curry powder, some fennel seeds, and some cumin. Bit of salt as well. Then we crack and whisk a couple of eggs. Add in our beef mixture. Then butter back in the pan. Pour in our egg mixture. And cut our baguette to size. Put that right on top to cook with it. And it's looking about done. Couple bits got stuck, but it came off relatively easy. Next, from what I've seen, while it's still hot, we put on some plastic cheese. Next, a little bit of shredded lettuce, some Kewpie mayo, some chili sauce, and then we close it up. All right. Cut diagonally and reveal. All right, time for the taste test. You know, I've actually visited Singapore and Malaysia, and I can't believe I didn't try this when I was down there. I'm gonna make this again. This is delicious. 5 out of 5 easy chairs. This is Messy Face Sandwich Dad saying good day.